Improving your gaming experience in Valorant when facing high ping can significantly enhance your performance. Follow these steps to reduce lag and optimize your connection. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and fast enough for online gaming. Use the speed test tool to measure your download and upload speeds and check for any interruptions. Step 2. Use a wired connection. Switch from Wi-Fi to a wired Ethernet connection if possible. Wired connections are generally more stable and provide lower latency compared to wireless connections. Step 3. Close background applications. Before launching Valorant, close any unnecessary applications running in the background that may consume bandwidth. This includes streaming services, downloads, and other online activities. Step 4. Change server region. In Valorant, you can change your server region to one that is closer to your physical location. This can help reduce ping times and improve your overall gaming experience. Step 5. Optimize network settings. Adjust your network settings by enabling quality of service QoS on your router, which prioritizes gaming traffic. Additionally, consider limiting the number of devices connected to your network while gaming. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your ping and overall gameplay experience in Valorant. Enjoy your gaming.